Stephanie, when you think about the journey we've been on, some would say time waits for no one, but luckily, time was very patient with us. Over these last 11 years, we built a relationship off of love, having fun, and of course, hard work. And after this day, we can celebrate everything that we have accomplished and our bright future ahead. See, it didn't matter when I first met you. I didn't know who you were, or I didn't even know your first name. I saw a beautiful girl with a charming smile that lit up the room, and of course, with a hot temper to go with it.
Brooke, our day is finally here. We have dreamed about this moment our entire lives, and it's finally here. I remember being a little girl, daydreaming about what life will be like with my soulmate one day. Then one day, you wake up, and then that someday is today. You have brought so much joy in my life, and I'm truly excited from this day forward. I will now be your wife. When I'm with you, I'm full, whole, and alive. I will always remember the day I told you I love you for the first time. I remember because you didn't say it back to me. Instead, I ran back to the house and thought to myself, are you really sure you love him? Truth is, yes, I knew that night I was crazy about you. Even though I knew you were leaving to another state to play baseball, and there was less than a 10% chance you're moving back to California. But I didn't let that bother me. I knew you were my soulmate, and I wanted to be here forever.
See, it sort of just clicked. You would be the woman I would wake up to every morning and go to sleep to every night. Even though we traveled down different paths early in our relationship, which resulted in different colleges in different states, our love, focus, and commitment stayed the same. You have always been my biggest supporter, my coach, my confidant, and of course, the most important, my best friend. It was you that was there for every single pitch, every single at-bat, and every single inning. And I will never forget that. See, time is very slow for those who wait, very fast for those who are scared, and very long for those who are lament, and very short for those who celebrate. But for those who love, time is eternal. Stephanie, I love you, and I can't wait to make you my wife.
I wanted you to know that I was your biggest cheerleader, and I'll follow you anywhere. I truly believe we were placed on this earth to be together. I just knew you were my person. As I look back at all the years we've been together, I'm so proud of the relationship we have built together. 2020 was the hardest of all of us, yet the best year of our lives. Our daughter came into our lives. Wherever she is, right there. I can speak for both of us that she has changed our lives forever. A love that I can't even describe. She's our little princess, and she's so lucky to have you as her dad. Just like how I'm lucky to have you as my husband. Thank you for being the man of my dreams and the best father I could ever imagine. You are my forever, my best friend, my dream come true, and now my husband. I love you with all my heart.
A loyal and dependable friend throughout the years. We've been through everything together. You're thoughtful and a giver, and always make time for your loved ones, even being a new mom, which are some of the traits I've always loved most about you. Brooke, I've witnessed your love, patience, and support with Stephanie, even with you being miles away at college. I could not imagine a better person to balance my best friend. And together, I know you two will be unstoppable in life. I wish you both endless happiness and love, and remember to always put each other first. I love you both, and congratulations.